No matter how healthy a dog has been, there comes a point when we must acknowledge the end of their life. It's a hard truth every dog owner has to accept. Making decisions about when and how to step in can be tough, but understanding your dog's needs during this period is essential. Our furry friends often give us subtle hints that they're nearing the end. Today, we're going to look at 12 different signs that may indicate your dog is in their final days. Recognizing these signs is not only going to help you prepare emotionally, but is also going to ensure you can give your loyal companions the comfort and dignity they deserve during this tender stage of their life. Number 1. Loss of interest. One of the most heart-wrenching signs that a dog is nearing the end is a noticeable loss of interest. As they approach their final days, dogs may show less enthusiasm for activities, people, and things they once loved. You might find that your dog no longer gets excited about their favorite toy or treat and may seem indifferent to family members. This detachment isn't a sign that they care any less. It's more about their dwindling energy levels and the shutdown of brain functions. As their cognitive abilities decline, dogs can become mentally confused, making them seem detached and unresponsive. It's important to remember that your dog's lack of reaction doesn't mean their love for you has faded. They just might not have the energy to show their feelings as they used to. Providing your dog with comfort and understanding during this time can help ease their transition. Simple acts of kindness, like offering a warm blanket or gentle strokes, can make a significant difference in their final days. Number 2. Lethargy and weakness. Dogs are naturally active creatures who love their walks, playtime, and hanging out with the family. So when your pup starts feeling sluggish and weak, it's a bit of a concern. You might notice they're not acting like their usual selves, showing little interest in their usual activities. It's kind of telling when they're spending more time lounging in quiet corners, especially if that's not their usual nap spot. This behavior suggests they might be struggling with their health, finding even simple things a bit too much to handle. If your once lively friend has slowed down a lot, isn't up for playing, or is having trouble with everyday stuff like eating and drinking, it's probably a sign they're not feeling too great. This change can be subtle at first, but often becomes more pronounced, signaling that your dog needs extra care and attention. Ensuring they have a comfortable place to rest and minimizing stressful activities can help manage their condition. Number 3. Breathing pattern changes. As our furry pals get older, changes in how they breathe can be a big red flag that their health is on the decline. You might notice your dog panting, even when they're just chilling, and it's not because they've been running around or it's hot outside. Now, that can be pretty worrisome too, but if they develop a new or worse cough, or seem to be struggling to catch their breath like they used to, it's time to sit up and take notice. These breathing changes can often signal serious health issues like heart problems or respiratory diseases messing with their body's balance. It could also point to other underlying conditions like cancer, diabetes, or kidney troubles. So, if you notice anything funky going on with your dog's breathing, it's best not to brush it off. Consulting with your veterinarian can provide clarity and possibly alleviate some of the symptoms your dog is experiencing. Monitoring these changes closely will also help you decide on the best course of action to ensure their comfort. Number 4. Appetite loss. As dogs get closer to their final days, you might notice a big change in their eating habits. No matter how tempting the food or treats you offer, a dog that's losing their appetite will often refuse both food and water. This decline in appetite usually gets worse as they approach the end. If your dog stops eating completely, it's a strong sign that their body is preparing for the end. Their digestive system starts shutting down, and they no longer feel hunger or thirst, which is why even their favorite foods don't appeal to them anymore. Even if they manage to eat or drink a little, they might have trouble keeping it down, and dehydration can quickly become an issue. You can try to keep your dog hydrated using gentle methods like a water dropper or turkey baster, but if they can't swallow, it's important to respect their body's signals and not force it. Understanding these changes can help you provide the right kind of care and support. Offering small, easily digestible meals or hand feeding can sometimes make a difference, but always be mindful of your dog's needs and comfort. Number 5. Weight loss and muscle atrophy. Along with a drop in appetite, you might start to see noticeable weight loss in your dog. They may look frail and skinny, which is a clear sign that their health is going downhill fast. This change can be pretty stark and tough to look at, but it's an important indicator that your dog has reached their final stage of life. Ensuring your dog is comfortable and providing soft bedding can help ease the physical burden on their frail body. Gentle massages and minimal physical exertion can also make a significant difference in their comfort levels during this time. Number 6. Difficulty in controlling bladder and bowel movement. As a dog's organs begin to shut down, even the most well-trained pups may start having accidents where they lie. This isn't about their training or behavior. It's simply because they don't have the energy to get up and relieve themselves. Coupled with their growing lethargy and reduced movement, incontinence becomes more common. Keeping your dog clean and dry is crucial during this time to prevent skin irritation and infections. Using absorbent pads or diapers can help manage accidents and maintain hygiene. It's also important to be patient and understanding, knowing that these accidents are beyond their control. Number 7. Behavioral shifts. You might start noticing some quirks in your dog's behavior that hint at their inner struggles and discomfort. Some may even start seeking some alone time, distancing themselves from other pets and even from their family. This retreat might switch up with moments of extra clinginess as they navigate through confusion or disorientation. Restlessness could also kick in, with your furry friend unable to find a comfy spot, constantly shifting around in search of some relief. It's tough to watch, especially when they whimper or shake, showing us just how much pain they're enduring. And what's more, if your pup seems sensitive to touch and displays signs of pain, remember it's not aggression but a natural response to their discomfort. Providing a calm and safe environment, offering gentle reassurances, and avoiding any stressful situations can help your dog feel more secure. Number 8. Mobility challenges. As your pup gets older, it's not unusual to see them grappling with standing, walking, or keeping their balance. They might have shaky movements or walk in a wobbly, unsteady manner, struggling with what used to be simple tasks. You might observe them stumbling, wobbling, or even collapsing as they attempt to move around. At times, this lack of coordination can be quite intense, resembling a seizure, with their muscles trembling and energy dispersing uncontrollably. Ensuring your home is safe and accessible for your dog is crucial during this time. Providing ramps, non-slip mats, and keeping their essentials close by can make a significant difference in their quality of life. Number 9. Pain and discomfort. As dogs near the end of their journey, they might start showing obvious signs of pain and discomfort. You might notice them whimpering, being hesitant to move, or even showing aggression when touched in sensitive spots. It's really important to pick up on these signs early because they usually need proper pain relief and might even require a vet's attention. Managing your dog's pain isn't just about keeping them comfortable. It's also about ensuring they have the best possible quality of life in their final days. Number 10. A cold body. As your dog's life draws to a close, you might observe their body starting to cool down, which happens naturally as their blood circulation decreases. This cooling effect is often felt first in their paws and can also be noticed in their breath. These changes are all part of the body's natural process as it prepares for the final stages of life, with temperatures and blood pressure gradually dropping. Being aware of these signs can help you comprehend what your dog is experiencing, enabling you to offer them extra warmth and comfort in their final moments. Number 11. Chronic vomiting or diarrhea. Although occasional episodes are normal, continuous and uncontrollable bouts of vomiting or diarrhea can really take a toll on your dog's health. These ongoing gastrointestinal issues can lead to dehydration and malnutrition, which could speed up the decline in your dog's overall well-being. Keeping your dog hydrated and offering easily digestible foods can help manage these symptoms. Number 12. Change in gum color. Normally, your dog's gums should have a healthy pink hue, but if you spot their gums turning pale white, blue, or even yellow, it could be a sign of something serious going on with their health. Changes in gum color might signal issues with circulation, respiratory problems, or liver function, among other potential conditions. Now let's talk about how to comfort your dying dog. During these precious final days, your dog will likely seek solace and may need more attention and affection than usual. Take the time to sit with them, gently stroke their fur, and speak to them in a soothing tone to reassure them that everything will be all right. Remember, dogs are incredibly attuned to our emotions, so maintaining a calm and reassuring presence is key. Try to avoid overwhelming them with sadness as it can distress them further. Continue to show your furry friend love and kindness, even if they seem unresponsive, as they can still sense and appreciate your care. If your dog isn't interested in drinking water, you can moisten their mouth with a gentle dab around the lips for added comfort. Lastly, respect your dog's wishes for solitude or companionship. If they choose to withdraw, create a cozy space for them in a familiar spot where they feel safe, like their favorite corner under the kitchen table. Moving their bed there can provide them with a sense of security and belonging during this tender time. As we wrap up our video about the signs a dog may display as they near the end of their life, we hope this insight has equipped you with both knowledge and solace to assist your cherished pet during their final days. Remember, identifying these signs early on can contribute to making their last moments as serene and affectionate as can be. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with others too. And for more videos like this, subscribe to Dogs Wiz, and I'll see you in the next one.